Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building financial model of a vending machines business idea from scratch. Today we'll be modeling asset tax for our vending machines. So please give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Guys, I see that those of you who watched, you watched just from the very beginning till the end. So just give us a like please to make more people see this content, these tutorials. Maybe this will be helpful for someone who is preparing for meeting with a banker or meeting with investor or trying to persuade just himself that this or that business idea is profitable and worthwhile trying. So just support the channel, so this will motivate me. So let's start. So here we have the table with different portraits of vending machines. As you can remember, we can switch on and off different vending machines. We can play with coefficients. So I'm just adding asset tax, dollar per month, then asset tax coefficient, and asset tax final, dollar per month. So here I will just be putting like $14. This will be the input. So we'll mark it with specific color. So this will be the coefficient for asset tax, local, here I will have asset tax coefficient global to make us switch on and off all these expenses just from this point. So then I'm creating the formulas. I'm just taking on-off coefficient for this specific vending machine portrait. Then I multiply the basic value of asset tax for this portrait, then multiply on coefficient local, and then I multiply it on global coefficient for all asset tax expenses. So for example, here I can just play with these numbers, or we can globally switch off this vending machine portrait from calculations. So you can see here what's happening, or for example, we just want to take 5% of this of these expenses, and here we can see what's happening. So this is very valuable instrument at the ending stage of your financial model, when you are playing with inputs, looking at cash flow statement, looking at simple discounted payback period diagram. So here is asset tax. Then we have to link this asset tax inside the core. So we have 200 vending machines inside the core. So 20 portraits, but we have 100 vending machines inside our investment plan.
So here we have the core, where we have many vending machines, starting with different times. So we can also switch on and off different vending machines from calculations. And we are moving to the right. We're moving to the right. Asset tax, dollar per month value. We'll be using VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP. We will search this value, in this table. We are freezing this table. Then we are taking, if we find this value, we are taking 29th column. We are taking exact match. If error, we will place here 0. And then we press enter. So here we have our asset tags linked to the specific vending machine that we're starting this or that year and month. Also, we can add the coefficient from on-off here. And now we have to place all these expenses, asset tax expenses. We should place it inside the timeline. So how we will do that? We will go at the end of our model. We are copying this table. So what we are doing, how we are calculating it. So we take the line 0 or 1, whether we do have or do not have operating activity. So this line will be right after the core. So this is
this is the first table. When we start operating activity, means that we started the operating activity, and we are taking the values from the next table from here and multiply it. So 0 means that we have operating activity, 1 means that we have operating activity, and 0 means that we don't have operating activity at the moment. So we multiply it on the value from the column that we've just created using VLOOKUP function. We are freezing column. So now we're extrapolating this formula to the bottom and to the right. So now we are done with asset tags. It starts right from the moment when we start operating activity of this or that vending machine. Here it is, and it depends on the type of this vending machine. So as soon as we adjust the type, these values will also change. So guys, if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you next videos. Thank you and bye.